Good day, sir. So today I'm going to discuss about the strategies to prevent mismatches. So there has never been a more pressing need in the field of airplane maintenance today to create a more effective, dependable, and safe aviation sector. I explored fundamental ideas of aviation solutions, simplifying aircraft data last week, highlighting the revolutionary impact artificial intelligence is having on the field of aircraft airworthiness management and maintenance. Also, by continuously improving digital technologies, systems, and software for aviation maintenance. Human-induced mistakes and mishaps may be eliminated from aircraft maintenance. The example of these are resolving job mismatch entails taking into account attributes such as trainings, credentials, and abilities to guarantee a more suitable fit between employees and job specifications. Consequently, promoting productively and economic expansion. Also, additional minimizing mismatch requires writing a job descriptions that is precise and comprehensive. It is more important for employees to provide description that is precise and clear and information about the abilities required for the position, the successful roles of assumptions, and the expected outcomes. That will be all. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our student-led panel discussion on a crucial topic in aviation safety, preventing mismatches in aircraft maintenance by understanding the shell model interfaces. I'm Jerkay Magbanwa, and I'm joined by fellow students who have been studying this subject in depth. Let's quickly go around and introduce ourselves. To conclude today's discussion, highlighted the need for careful attention to detail and strict safety procedures in aircraft maintenance. We've discussed some valuable strategies and historical examples that show how critical it is to prevent mismatches. Thank you to all my fellow panelists for their thoughtful contributions. Let's keep pushing for safety in all aspects of aviation. Thanks for tuning in.
Real-life example of an environmental interface mismatch can occur when new regulatory requirements are introduced and the maintenance team fails to update procedure accordingly, resulting in non-compliance issues. Strategy to prevent mismatches: stay informed about changes in regulations and industry standards. Conduct regular audits to ensure compliance, and establish process for timely updating of procedure in responses to external factors. The four shell model interfaces in aircraft maintenance refer to the operational, organizational, environmental, and technical interfaces. So, real-life example, an operational interface mismatch can occur when the maintenance team receives incomplete or inconsistent information about tasks from the engineering department, so leading to delays and errors in maintenance procedures. Strategy to prevent mismatches: ensure clear communication and channels are established and procedures are well documented to avoid misunderstandings and ensure all relevant information is shared between different operational elements.
The world is becoming increasingly interconnected. Advancement in communication and transportation technologies have facilitated international trade, travel, and cultural exchange. While globalization offers numerous benefits, it can also lead to misunderstandings and mismatches when people from different backgrounds interact. This report identifies key strategies to mitigate these mismatches and foster effective communication in a globalized world. Example, international trade deals. So, mismatches can occur due to, first, differences in legal interpretations and terminology. Second, unforeseen circumstances affecting trade flows or product quality. Lastly, lack of clear dispute resolution mechanisms. Strategies to prevent mismatches. First, standardized legal framework. Utilize standardized legal language common in international trade agreements. Second, terminology clarification. Define key terms within the agreement to avoid ambiguity and misinterpretation. Lastly, dispute resolution procedures. Establish clear and agreed upon procedures for resolving potential disputes during the trade deal.